In this video, let me show you the way that you use the Pandora mobile app. If you're trying to listen to songs or use the platform of Pandora onto your phone, you need to first of all download this application onto your phone either through the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. And once the app has been downloaded, you can open it up and make sure that you log into your account. If you don't yet have an account, you can easily create one using your email address and then by creating a password. Now, once you're inside of this section, you'll be straight away taken to the For You page. This is the section where you can browse through new content, meaning you can discover new songs or even different genres that you can go into. So you can browse through all of these sections and take a look at all of these sections and browse through all of the music that you may be interested in. The second section is going to be the My Collection sections. Whenever you start a new station or add any songs to your playlist, all of these items or these content will be added to the My Collection section. So you can just hop over to this section and take a look at all of the songs or the artists that you've added inside of My Collection. You do also have the option of creating a new station by tapping on the Create Station option on the top right. This way you can either start a station from a artist. If you select any artist that you like, you'll be able to tap on Create Station on the bottom. You also do have the option of selecting multiple artists and then click on the Start Station option on the bottom. This way, depending upon the exact artist that you selected, a new custom station will be created for you. That all of the stations that you created will be also added inside of My Collections. You can also head over to the search bar, which is this magnifying glass icon, and then search for either artists, albums, songs, or even playlists that you may have created. You can also use your voice. It says right here, try saying play something awesome, play top hits, or play some workout music. You can also use voice commands inside of Pandora in order to search for new music. If you're currently on a free plan and want to upgrade, you'll need to head over to the My Profile section on the bottom right, and on the top of the screen you'll see the option called Upgrade. This way either you can select the Pandora Premium or select the Pandora Plus depending upon what you need, and then start off a 30-day free trial. So that's how easily you can use the Pandora mobile app. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.